coming to you from Winthrop, Washington. We are spending a couple days here cross-country skiing some of the many miles, about 120 miles of groomed trails they have here. So we're gonna try to film as much as we can. We are pretty new at cross-country skiing. We really just took up this hobby this winter to get through this COVID winter and just get outside because we tend to hibernate in the winter.
Ready to get this started?
Yeah.
All right. Stop! Don't press that button.
Who are you guys? We're your adventurous side that's refusing to be dormant this winter.
If you press that button, you'll be here for hours. But it's so nice and warm and comfortable in here.
Get your butts out of bed, you two. It's about 12 degrees outside, so it is freezing. So we're gonna get moving. My goal for today is to try to get comfortable on hills. Don't like this. I attempted some small ones and I kept sliding back as I was going up. I've learned some techniques, so it's kind of my mission is to get more comfortable with this. So attempting to go downhill, the first downhill here. Don't like this.
See, you aren't even going fast.
I'm gonna lose all cred on our vlog. No, no, no!
Yeah.
First little mini hill. All right, we're about a mile in, taking a little tea break. It's gorgeous here, like the snow-covered mountains, trees with some snow. There's no one out here whatsoever, so I think this was a good place to spend our socially distant holiday. But yeah, this is really beautiful. I feel like I went down another hill and I was much less scared, so I'm getting more confident. Hopefully by the end of this I'll be like cruising. I'm sure for people who like have skied downhill skied their whole life, it's natural for them. But for me, having never really downhill skied, it's not at all natural, the different positions to brake and to go uphill. So, but I'm getting more comfortable with it.
After graduating from the green trails, we're now moving on to the blue trails, which are the intermediate ones. It gets a little bit hilly up in here, but I think it should be okay.
Keep feeling like I'm falling backwards. Downhill's much better now though. Uphill, still feel like I slide all over the place.
Nope, nope. Woo! Man, this downhill thing is scary if you're not used to it.
Are you okay?
You couldn't ask for better weather. It is a little bit cold, but the sun is so nice. Just not having the sun for so long and living in Western Washington, it's so nice to get it out here.
It is just gorgeous. Look behind me. I don't know why, like, everything turns into a magical place when the snow is there. You're actually going up this thing?
I'm gonna give it a try.
Definitely can't tell on the camera angle, once again, how steep this is. Oh. Careful.
All right, I'm about to go down probably the steepest hill that I've attempted today. It's really not too steep, but I'm just so new at this.
What do we got here, honey?
Couple of eagles sitting in a tree.
Good morning. It is actually Christmas morning. Skyped with our families this morning because it is Christmas Day. And so we're kind of getting a late start. It's 2 p.m. It's snowing, but we're going to try to do a 10K loop here. So we're going to try to kind of speed it up from yesterday and just see if we can cover these 10Ks before it gets dark in like 2 hours. So beautiful out here. Yeah, you can steer. So there are various cabins, like the ones behind me, that you can actually stay in. So you can do like a backpacking trip essentially with cross-country skis. Someday we'd love to do like an outback multi-day cross-country ski trip here. So we're about halfway right now, and it's taken us about an hour, right?
Yeah, just over an hour.
So I think we might be able to beat the darkness. That was so much fun. This is so powdery.
This really is a winter wonderland.
I just went down that hill in a very chilled mental state. Hakuna Matata the whole time. No worries. That's good. Dude, this is awesome. I'm so glad we went here to this trail system today.
I think the trail goes through this little tunnel over here. So I think you're supposed to ski down this hill and then straight into the tunnel. But it does say to mind your head.
This experience taught us, for what seems like the millionth time, it's good to just go for it, try something new, and get outside your comfort zone. All right, well, it's definitely quite dark, but we made it just in time. It ended up being 7 miles, so it was a little bit more than we anticipated. We definitely are probably slower than most people. I think it was like a 3.5 mile per hour pace. But we're getting better, that's the good thing. Powder makes a huge difference, and it's really fun. We love this winter sport. It's, I think, gonna be a keeper. All right, and that about wraps up this video. We have a really fun adventure planned for tomorrow, which we're gonna do in a separate video. Make sure you stay tuned. We are gonna be fat biking for the first time ever in the snow.
Oh.
Oh, going backwards. Whoa. A little bit of a hill here.
I mean, it shouldn't be that bad. Your feet are flat. Dig in the edge.
I'm gonna cheat. That's fun.
This is just like that guy that went down K2, exactly like it.